Motion costs $19 a month, Reclaim $8 a month, Clockwise is free. Which is best?
Reclaim.ai, at $8 per month for its Pro plan, automatically finds meeting times. It syncs with Google Calendar and Slack, rescheduling tasks around appointments. This saves 2 to 3 hours weekly for busy managers.
Motion, priced at $19 per month for its Pro plan, acts as a full assistant. It plans your tasks, projects, and meetings, automatically adjusting your schedule. Users report reclaiming 5 to 7 hours per week. Clockwise offers a free tier, focusing on optimizing your team's meeting times. It finds focus time and reduces meeting conflicts, integrating with Google Calendar. This helps teams reduce 20% of their meeting overhead. Reclaim.ai excels at task scheduling. Motion offers broad task and project planning, while Clockwise prioritizes meeting optimization. All sync with Google Calendar, but Motion's AI feels more comprehensive for personal task management. Start with Clockwise's free tier to see meeting benefits. If you need task automation, try Reclaim.ai's $8 per month Pro plan. For full AI assistance, Motion's $19 per month Pro is best for individuals managing complex projects. You've learned about 3 AI calendar tools. Check out our video on AI for email marketing next.